So let's click on full screen and watch the video on full screen in my watch. So you can see my video is playing directly on the watch, and this is the sound which is coming from the speaker of the watch itself. So have you ever imagined that you will be able to play videos on your smartwatch which will be on your wrist, and not only the videos which are stored in the smartwatch, but you will be able to play the YouTube videos from the internet directly on your smartwatch itself. So in today's video we will see how we can play the YouTube videos on our smartwatches, and also we will see how we can control the entire YouTube with our Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 up there. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So definitely the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is a great watch which has a lot of features into it, and now you can watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 directly even when it is not connected with your phone. So we are already living in the future and everything is getting changed, and right now we will be able to watch YouTube videos also in these smartwatches. Not only we will watch YouTube videos, but we can play the videos via the Bluetooth speaker. If you have any of the Bluetooth speaker, you can directly connect this Bluetooth speaker with your smartwatch and play the videos directly to the speaker itself, and you can directly play these videos without the connection with your phone, as this watch already comes with the Wi-Fi in there. So definitely let's see what are the steps we need to do to see the YouTube videos up there on this watch. So first of all, you need to connect your watch to Wi-Fi, or if your watch has the cellular data support, you can connect via the cellular data. Once you have connected, you will see this Wi-Fi icon on the top of the smartwatch, and after you have connected it, you need to go to Play Store to download one app on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the app is nothing but the browser, which is the Samsung browser, which you can install on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So to install it, just need to click on this search icon and just click on this voice icon in there, and you have to tell browser. So once you will see browser in here, you just need to click on this arrow symbol. So it will search whatever browsers are there and will show you. So there are limited option of browsers in this smartwatch, but I will definitely recommend you to download the Samsung internet browser. So I have already installed this browser on this watch. Once you have installed the browser, you just need to go to the browser from the menu up there. So this is the icon of the Samsung browser, which already have been installed on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So just click on that. So once you will be clicking on that, you will be getting an interface like this. So there are definite bookmarks which will be set, and YouTube will also be a bookmark in there. So you just need to click on the YouTube, and you will see a full-fledged YouTube browser has been opened on your watch. So what I will do, I will just play one of my videos on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and see how it looks on this watch. So to search any of the videos, you just need to click on the search icon in the top right corner, and once you click there, you will get the interface like this. You just need to click on this voice icon again, addicted blogging. So once you get the search term on your watch, you just need to click on this arrow symbol, and you will see that the videos of my channel will be up there. Let's play a video up there. So you can see definitely the video will be starting, and this is playing via my watch only. So I will be skipping the ad in here. So let's click on full screen and watch the video on full screen in my watch. So you can see my video is playing directly on the watch, and this is the sound which is coming from the speaker of the watch itself. So if you want to just go 10 seconds forward or backward, you can just play the video and do the usual controls up there. So this will give 10 seconds forward, this will give 10 seconds backward, and not only that, you can get to full screen and get out of full screen and see the video controls and likes and comments and everything via your watch only. So this is absolutely amazing that Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has introduced the video feature also in this watch. They have given a full browser support also in this watch. Not only that, you can connect your Bluetooth speaker. Just need to switch on the Bluetooth up there. Once you switch on your Bluetooth speaker, you have to come to the watch itself and click on this Bluetooth icon. So here you have to connect your Bluetooth speaker, and once you have connected your Bluetooth speaker, you can just watch videos on your watch with the Bluetooth speaker on. So you can fast forward also as much as you want. So this is real full-fledged YouTube video will be playing on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is really great, and I have never seen this type of feature in any of the smartwatches recently. And in YouTube you can also see and browse as many videos as you want via this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So this thing has totally blown my mind that you can play right now the videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Definitely this is what I am looking for in a smartwatch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you guys that you can play videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and also you can connect your Bluetooth speaker and play the videos on your smartwatch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.